You can learn to run with the bulls and make money to be your own boss without getting trampled on your way to the stock market bull ring of profit. Like the Spanish running with the bulls stampede, stock market bulls also get trampled. But don't worry, bulls, options have your back against unexpected losses. Here's how. Bull call spread options provide bulls with leverage relative to buying stock. For example, if you bought and paid $2.50 for a spread option and simultaneously sold it to receive $1.25, your cost for the combined transaction, bull call spread, is only $1.30, $130 for 100 shares. But what if your bull stocks get trampled headed for the stock market bull ring? That's where the bull call spread option becomes an intriguing stock strategy. You have a limited risk of no more than a $130 loss. Bull call spreads are for traders looking for the thrill of running with the bulls but want to control their risk and at the same time make it to the stock market bull ring to make money.